Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Instagram link to Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. About 1 minute. So right now I'm going to add this post link to my Shopify store. So I'm going to clicking on 3 dot and clicking on copy link, and now open your Shopify admin panel and go to online store and click on customize. So I'm going to insert the link to this text. So I'm going to selecting the text here and typing in a little text here. And I'm selecting this text and clicking on insert link, and I'm pasting my Instagram post link here and clicking on insert. So here you can see the Instagram link has been added to my Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.